To view your payment history on Bank of America, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the online banking platform to access your transaction records. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view a list of all your accounts, including checking, savings, and credit cards. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the payment history. This will take you to the account details page. Step 4. Access transaction history. On the account details page, find the transactions or activity link. Click on it to view a detailed list of all transactions, including payments made. Step 5. Filter your payment history. If needed, use the filtering options to narrow down your search. You can select specific dates, transaction types, or amounts to find the exact payment history you need. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on Bank of America. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.